Okay, I don't know if I'm visible here. How visible I am. I'm going to take a quick video because I just finished doing the pavers outside. I'm exhausted. It's the 20th of July 2025. I'm looking here, I'm inside right now, and I'm looking at the hearth, which we're slowly, it's very finicky. We're putting in these metal edge bands before we cast a concrete hearth here. And we're trying to get that all level and done real nicely. Anyway, I'll take a video on that later. But I'm going to walk down to the garage where there's Hega. Back from a swim. Yes. It's been like 30 degrees basically every day. We've been here. There was a couple of days of rain. I guess we've been here for at least 2 weeks now. And this is by far the hottest summer and sunniest summer like I've ever seen by far in Norway. In almost 20 years of seeing this place in the summer, it's been incredibly warm, like too warm. It's shocking. I don't know what's going on, other than we've gotten a lot of sun, and it's been hard to work on this nasty casting project. At least there haven't been mosquitoes, but there's flies. Anyway, here we are. I'm just going to photograph this because I'm going to clean this up, and I hope I'm not looking forward to seeing this ever again. This has basically been taking 2 years, 2 seasons of work to get this done. We skipped last year, so it was the year prior when we did a lot of work on casting these pavers and did less than half. Then last year was almost exclusively on the deck and some interior work, and I didn't cast anything. And this year I had to finish because it was driving me nuts. So I built a couple of more forms, which sped me up. They are completely shot by now. Really on their last legs. I should be able to tell you exactly how many I cast. I wound up having to do a lot of cutting at the end to fit and form everything up against the built-in furniture. We'll walk up here and see it now. And inside the greenhouse, if it was 30 degrees, which is like 90 Fahrenheit practically, outside it must have been 100 inside the greenhouse. Alright, here we go. We're going to have to clean everything out of here. The girls were sleeping in here on cots, so we still have some bedding laying around. I guess peppers are doing really well. There we go. Anyway, I think they're. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna guess off the top of my head that there's around 450 of these. And they're very crude. They're just sitting. They're just sitting on a membrane, permeable membrane, on top of the wood decking. But so they move a little bit, make a little bit of noise sometimes. But for the most part, they're very, very solid. And we're just really happy. My God, I'm glad this is over with. All right, that's it. I think we're gonna have a celebration. I'm gonna take a shower in this outdoor shower over here. Probably can't quite see. And then I think we're gonna have some kind of tropical drink with rum and coconut and pineapple and who knows. It might even turn out to be bright blue. That's how it feels.